In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up storage if your Outlook inbox is full. If Outlook is warning you that your mailbox is almost full, or if you're having trouble receiving new messages, one of the quickest ways to recover space is by clearing out the folders that usually collect unnecessary mail over time. This is a simple process, and it can make an immediate difference. To begin, open Outlook and go to the Mail section. This is where all of your email folders and messages are stored. If you're already in Outlook but viewing something else, like the calendar or contacts, just switch back to Mail so you can access your inbox and folder list. Once you're in Mail, look over to the folder panel and find the deleted items folder and the junk email folder. These two folders are important because they often hold a surprisingly large number of messages that still count toward your storage limit. Even though messages in these folders may seem like they're already out of the way, they can continue taking up space until they're permanently removed. Click into deleted items and review it briefly if needed. If there's anything important you want to keep, move it before deleting everything. After that, empty the deleted items folder. This will permanently remove those messages and help free up mailbox storage. Next, do the same thing with junk email. Open the folder and make sure there's nothing there that you still need. Sometimes legitimate emails can end up in junk by mistake, so it's worth taking a quick look. Once you've confirmed everything is safe to remove, empty the junk email folder as well. Clearing both of these folders is often one of the fastest and easiest ways to create more room in Outlook without having to sort through your entire inbox. If your storage was close to the limit, you may notice improvement right away. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to empty these folders regularly instead of waiting until your mailbox is full. That can help prevent storage warnings and keep Outlook running more smoothly. Also, if you still need additional space after this, you can continue by reviewing large attachments or old emails in other folders. But the first and most important step is clearing out deleted items and junk email. That's it. Once those folders are emptied, you should have successfully freed up some storage in Outlook.